Good evening everyone. So naanak pud mi diring dapita sa akong anak nag-recap sa ilang mga niagang lesson kay mag-exam sila tomorrow. So ayan, yung ginagawa niya ay write the missing number. So count it.
Yes.
Oh, count.
0, 1. Look
Okay, okay.
there. Here.
Okay.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What's the missing number?
5.
Okay. So, ayan mga Mari. Nag-study akong baby. Kay 2 days na siya wala naka-school because, hey, let me see your face. Hubag iyang aping. Ayan. Kaya, home activity na lang po siya. At saka nag-study. Another. What's the missing number here?
This is the number.
Okay.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What's the missing number? The missing number?
This.
Dalawa.
How
Arrow.
4,
Ay.
0,